Okay, so I've got a few bits here. I have got this, it's not stretchy, so it's not really elasticy, but it's like clear thread, plasticky thread. So I'm gonna give this a go, and I'm hoping that that will work better, but we'll find out when we're doing it. I'm gonna need a needle that is gonna have to fit through these beads, and I have these beads, which are, of course, beautiful gold colors. I'm quite excited about using these. So we're gonna use these. I think I might make up a basic plan of how I want the pattern to go, and we'll do that on squared paper. So let's do that first. Okay, I've got squared paper, I've got pencils. I was going to use Olivia's pens. I thought it'd be a bit quicker, but I think she's taking them with her to school. So I'm gonna look out colors that are kind of close to the colors I want to pick. But what colors do I want to pick? Do you know what we probably should do first is pick the hat color. I'm thinking let's go with something simple. We'll just go for a light brown coloured hat. Because I think that these golds will look really nice against it. Now I'm not going to do the full hat. I'd love to do the full hat, but that is going to take a long time. So what we'll do is we'll just do part of the hat. I'll see how I get on, but a big chunk anyway, so that we know what we're doing. So let's pick out the colours we want for this. That would work. So we like gold with dark gold. Might not be enough of contrast. We'll test it with these three first, I think. Let's try that. Now, this is very nice, but I think it's just a little too subtle, the light gold and the dark gold. It's also very tricky to do this on camera because I really want to get as close as I can to the beads to see what I'm doing, but I'm very aware that you guys also need to see this in focus without my head being in the way, and underneath is not as tidy as I'd like it to be. So I might go ahead and test the next bit with some different colours and some different sizes, but I'm gonna do it off camera, so I'll catch up with you in a sec. Hello everyone. So we're not going to be able to finish this hat off. Now there's a few reasons for this. One, we've got a family hospital appointment, so I don't actually have as much time this week as I usually would for doing videos. Two, I don't have any more of these teeny tiny beads. Now these teeny tiny beads are the perfect size, but like I said before, I only have 2 colours and the contrast isn't enough for it to show up. So I went ahead and I used dark gold and white, which does work better for seeing the pattern, but when you get to the edge, the beads obviously don't sit properly and there's a big gap, whereas on these they sit all lovely and nice and tight together. So if I had more beads, I probably could have worked on this a little bit more, but unfortunately I don't. So I am gonna end this video here, but I will say that I did enjoy doing this and I would like to do it again, so I'm gonna go and order some more beads in other colours. But guys, I think I need a little bit more practice here because that just doesn't look tidy enough for me. But at least in this video you guys can see that this isn't a hard process to do. If you were ever thinking about doing it, go for it. But just make sure you get teeny tiny beads. And yeah, I did like it. I like the process. You can see the pattern a little bit there, but I want it to stand out more. We need it to stand out more. And then I reckon it would take a long time, but I'd love to do the whole way around the brim. So we need a lot more beads. But as always guys, thanks for coming and hanging out. Sorry this video is cut short this week, but I'm sure you guys understand why. And as always, I will see you in a couple of weeks. Thank you for coming and hanging out, and I'll see you next time.